Welcome to this first episode of Neo-noir book reviews in less than 3 minutes, where we discuss together the magic elements that connect all these great books. Today's book is The Contortionist Handbook by Craig Clevenger. The Contortionist Handbook's main theme is identity, while also keeping true to other neo-noir themes such as alienation, pessimism, moral ambivalence, and disorientation. There is also a good deal of sharp social commentary on modern societies and its flaws. The book reflects deep research and sound criticism of the commodification of mental health, all in sharp, witty prose. The plot. The plot has dual timelines. In one, the protagonist, a forger with proclivity for drugs and mathematics, is trying to outsmart his mental health evaluator after an overdose. In the other timeline, we go through the protagonist's life and how he got where he is today. When it comes to the writing style, as he says himself, Clevenger provides unique descriptions through choosing a handful of colliding details to elicit an image from the reader. Clevenger's writing is taut and crisp. His prose is full of unusual but memorable imagery like this one. The protagonist wakes up to another day of workday rituals, but you remember that it is Sunday. That 4-second blast of relief is what Vicodin feels like for 6 hours. Here are 2 examples of his social commentary. What they wear tells you what they want to show, and what they show tells you what they want to hide. And a person's life story is equal to what they have plus what they want most in the world, minus what they're actually willing to sacrifice for. Clevenger consistently provides new information distilled from deep knowledge and research about his subjects. Here's an example. Serial sevens is a memory test, 7 being the average number that can occupy one's short-term memory. Poor short-term memory is a big indicator for depression. I need him to rule it out. Conclusion and verdict. It's very difficult to find a book that strikes the right balance that appeals both fans of commercial or plot-driven books versus literary or character and style-driven books. That said, Craig's writing appeals to both worlds, albeit a little bit leaning towards the literary side. On the 4-point scale of no, okay, good, and respect, this novel gets a solid respect. Want to know more about Clevenger? He has another novel called Neo-noir, where the main theme is memory. My debut neo-noir, to be published soon, wouldn't be the same without the inspiration and craft I learned from the likes of Craig. If you like this book and you're struggling to find other good neo-noir books, follow for more reviews like this.